Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing Ubuntu 25.04, also known as Plucky Puffin, in VMware Workstation. Let's dive right in. First, let's download the Ubuntu 25.04 ISO file. Open any browser and in the search bar, type Ubuntu 25.04 ISO download. Click on the link that says Ubuntu 25.04 Plucky Puffin Daily Build. On the download page, you'll see two options for the ISO file. I'm going to click on 64-bit PC, AMD 64, desktop image. Click to start the download and wait for it to finish. While the ISO file is downloading, let's set up VMware Workstation. Open VMware Workstation and click Create a new virtual machine. In the wizard, select Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Then select, I will install the operating system later. Select Guest Operating System as Linux and version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Provide a name to the virtual machine. I am going with the default name. Then, select the location where the virtual machine should be saved. Here, I am moving with the default location. Choose the disk capacity as 40 GB. The default disk capacity is 25 GB. You can choose any size above 25 GB. Select Split disk file into multiple files. Now we can see the settings of the virtual machine. Click Finish. The virtual machine is created. Now we need to add the ISO file. Click on CD, DVD option. Add the ISO file by browsing into the folder where the ISO is downloaded. After doing all these, power on the machine. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. Choose the language as per your wish. Select your keyboard layout. This installation may take some time. Ubuntu 25.04 is now installed. We need to restart to complete the installation. And that's it. You've successfully installed Ubuntu 25.04 in VMware Workstation. To verify the version of the Ubuntu, use the command lsb_release_ds. We can see that the installed version is Ubuntu Plucky Puffin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.